Cefn Golau Together is a community-run organisation that has been set up by Building Communities Trust, funded by the Big Lottery, to work for the next 10 years to just improve the community of Cefn Golau.
Already we've got the community house we're working with. We're looking at how people can best access IT. We're looking at maybe a new building where the community can meet and celebrate weddings, funerals.
So we're currently stood in our brand new MUGA, which stands for Multi-Use Games Area. We did community consultation, and the things that came out were sports and activities for young people. When we looked at running sports projects, risk assessment said that the current MUGA wasn't fit for purpose, so we decided to put the capital towards replacing the MUGA.
This is about young people and play and sporting facilities for young people. Nothing could be more important than that in Wales at this time. We need to get people out from behind computers and desks and out playing football and out in the fresh air.
To be honest, we're very committed to this area of Cefn Golau, and we have a number of projects we're working with the community on, and we believe it could be really exciting.
Coalfields, which has got a lot of experience in project management, particularly sport, through its project called Game On, which has been operating for about 12 years or so. And so we were invited to actually project manage this MUGA, although the monies obviously come from the Building Communities Trust.
We've been delighted to support the Cefn Golau Together groups to make this MUGA happen. We've project managed the design and the build for the MUGA, of course, been part of the launch here today.
We have a few projects coming up in the next year. One is the IT project, which is hoping to encourage people to access any support services and to be able to look for jobs. We're also looking at running a men's shed project and women's sheds as well, just to try and improve mental health for people in the area. It involves various things, anything that the men want to do, like carpentry, mechanics, just something to get men out of the house, chatting with one another, because they don't tend to go along to coffee mornings and appreciate chatting with other people.
This is a fantastic example of a community taking control of its own destiny, and what we want to do is to continue to support the community, not to get in their way, to help them to continue to develop and carry on the fantastic work they're doing.
So I'm hoping that we will be here for quite some time, and we will be working with the community for them to choose what they want to invest in.
We have a meeting on the second Monday of every month at 10 o'clock in our community house, and we're also on Facebook. We have a page and it's called Cefn Golau Together.
Please join us on Facebook, please join us our social media presence. We want more ideas, want more people to get involved. That's the best way to do it.